powerful cordless suction. Shark PowerDetect DuoClean Detect nozzle is designed to capture more dust, dirt, and debris. With dirt-detecting intelligence, EdgeDetect senses edges and corners and increases suction power. FloorDetect auto-detects floor type and adjusts brush roll speed, while DirtDetect detects hidden dirt for enhanced debris pickup, with forward and reverse debris pickup for faster cleaning.
Hello, there's a shark at your door. Welcome in, everybody, to a brand new day here at QVC, and we've got some brand new technology from Shark. And if you're looking at it and you're saying, wait a minute, she's carrying it with one hand, how does that have the power and the ingenuity to do all the cleaning that I need it to do? We've wrapped up 2024 and we're getting into 2025, and when it comes to the cleaning capability of our brand new Today Special Value, wait until you feel the power. This is Shark's most powerful stick vacuum. This is Shark's top-of-the-line cordless stick vacuum. Wait a minute, come over here to this pile. The DuoClean picking it up in the front. This one is what Circana, a retail tracking service, calls the #1 vacuum brand in the US for 4 years in a row. This one goes from carpet to smooth flooring, no problem, because it detects what floor surface you're using. This Shark Detect Pro also ramps up the speed when you need to have the hard work done. The other thing that it does is, with a click of a button, you can vacuum underneath the furniture so that you don't have to move the furniture, you don't have to pull out the dining room chairs, and it stands up, you ready for this? On its own because of that flexing right there. You could fit it into your pantry, you could fit it into the closet if you wanted to, but it cleans forward and back. Everybody, if you've been waiting to upgrade your experience, this is the one to get. And I am super excited to be the one to kick it off with you. My name is Mary DeAngelis, and here's the deal too. 3.2 million Shark Vacs have sold here at QVC. I want you to call us and tell us what room in the house needs a Shark attack. Is it your living room? Is it your family room? Is it the entryway to your home? You really need that deep clean? Well, you're gonna get it with this. And I wanna show you the color choices that we have. And this is an exclusive offer for us here at QVC, but we've got beautiful colors to choose from. And we're gonna start with that grape down there at the end, that rich, beautiful purple. Right next door, we've got it for you in the navy. Next to that, we have it in warm metal. That's an exclusive color choice to us here at QVC. Next to it is in another exclusive color choice called Adriatic Teal. It's very dreamy. And then at the very end, our most limited color choice is the bold magenta. That is also exclusive to us here at QVC. This is an absolutely incredible machine that I fell in love with over the last 3 days. And instead of spending $432.95, you're getting it as a Today Special Value price, brand new today, for $299.98. Now here's the deal. We have free shipping on it as well. We have easy pay, and if you want to use your Q card, you could utilize 9-month special financing. It comes with that latest and greatest technology. You're also getting a pet multi-tool, a flexible crevice tool, and what you're getting too is tools that you can't find anywhere else. You get them here. You're getting that MultiFlex wand that I showed you a moment ago. I'm gonna go over here and join my friend Elizabeth Watts, because I have now vacuumed 6 different sets.
Mary, you picked up more dirt than I know was on. Well, I kind of knew it might be a little dirty.
Yeah, you knew it.
It might be a little dirty.
As we kick off this new day, you've been with the Shark
Yes.
team for a number of years.
Yeah, over 20 years.
That's incredible.
Yes, I've seen the evolution of the vacuum, believe me, from way back in the day when we had a little bitty hand vacuum that we started with. Super powerful, that's always been the name of the game. But with Shark, what we did was we took the cordless vacuum and took it to the next level.
It's amazing.
The most powerful cordless we make, #1. The most debris pickup of any Shark cordless. You're looking at it. And Mary is showing you all that amazing design, but in addition to all that, you have a brand new nozzle, totally redesigned, no hair up on this nozzle, the DuoClean with the 2 brush rolls, but there's something very special about this vacuum.
Blew my mind.
It has a brain.
Tell them.
It has a brain. I'm going to tell you the story. First of all, when you start cleaning, it knows what kind of floor you're on.
Yeah.
When it detects dirt or carpets, it ramps up that suction. Do you hear that?
I do.
3 times the suction, 75% more power. Okay, now you notice I'm picking up the little things, the coffee, also larger pieces. When the floor is clean, I don't know if y'all can see those lights down on the base, but there's lighting at the back of the brush roll, which we're gonna highlight. There it is. Did you see how it turned white?
I did.
All right, let me show you what I'm looking at. This is so incredible, Mary. This vacuum, see how it's white right now?
Yeah.
When it encounters the dirt, let me make sure I don't go too fast. There we go. Look at that. It changes color. It ramps up. I haven't touched the thing. This is automatic. This has some of the most sensitive, complicated, and wonderful sensors on the inside. And really, honestly, you don't even have to think about it. I see there's some dirt over here.
Yeah,
Mary.
I did that.
This also cleans in reverse. I know you didn't do that on purpose, but I'm so glad you did it. Look, watch this. Most vacuums, did y'all know this? Only clean while going forward.
It's amazing.
You may think your vacuum does that, but go try it.
Yeah.
It doesn't. We've actually patented a brand new way to clean in the reverse.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing technology.
There's no trigger to hold. You turn it on and it runs on its own. And I feel like too, this is the first time I've ever used a cordless vac that had enough power to pull forward while I was using it. And when you pull back, it's cleaning forward and backward. And the detection on this, I mean, it detects dirt.
It's next level.
It detects the flooring that you're on. It detects how much power you need. It's amazing.
And why do you need all that, right?
Yeah.
First of all, it will help save the battery. This battery will last you up to 70 minutes, 70. Now, normal, that's eco mode at the hand vac. So when I use it around my house, I clean my entire home, going from floors to carpets. Did you see how it ramped up?
I heard it too.
Right, on its own. So back and forth, just like we normally clean. I was able to clean my whole house and I still had battery.
It's amazing.
Okay, so it's probably gonna give you at least a half an hour of cleaning time, like real-time cleaning around your home. EdgeDetect, it's giving me 3 times more suction along the edges. You see how that light lit up on one side?
Yes.
DirtDetect, it detects the dirt, 75% more power. This is doing it for me. Yeah, yeah. And all of that means you're gonna get the best clean of your life. And P.S., the vacuum tells you when it is, when the floor is clean.
Oh my gosh.
I know, amazing. 4-pound hand vac built right in, as well as the about 7-pound in the stick form.
That's incredible.
So lightweight, and of course, MultiFlex.
That's my favorite part, and
wonderful?
I love the fact that you can just bend it over, store it whenever you need to.
Yep.
The other thing too is that the battery is removable.
It's removable,
So that's another great feature. I mean, everything that you have thought in the past, I don't want to go cordless because fill in the blank. This one checks all the boxes.
It really does. And we brought back DuoClean. So let me tell you what that is. We've taken away the front wall. Actually, here, let me turn this off so we can really look at this nozzle. We took away the front wall that most vacuums have. We added this this soft brush in the front. And look at this. We even changed this. It's no longer the power fin.
Right.
Because we were able to redesign the whole system, it cleans itself of hair and it has better pickup. And have a look at this. This is our patented squeegee along the back. See how it's perforated? This allows, well, you know what? We're going to show you this on a video. Let's show the video because I can tell you, but pictures are worth 1,000 words.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Check this out. So forward cleaning. Most vacuums have something behind the brush roll to keep the stuff from spitting out back. So when ours goes forward, you see those? Did you see them move?
It's amazing,
The fins, the shark fins, they open up on the reverse, and that allows the dirt to go in from the back. What this means for us, Mary, it is monumental. We are cutting our vacuuming time in half.
Oh my gosh.
Boom.
And take a look at it real time in our studio because that shot, that video really shows the power and the ingenuity of our today's special value. Just know that this price goes away at the end of the day. And instead of over $430, you're getting it for $299.98. We have 5 easy payments of $60 and free shipping. But look at that.
Look at the arm.
You didn't have to move the table at all.
No, and we were the first ones to do this several years ago. We brought it back because everybody loves that MultiFlex. But here's what I was talking about with that patented squeegee, Mary.
Woo!
I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to prove to everybody that most vacuums don't do that by comparing this with the Shark. But now, as you're vacuuming along, there's some hair. We don't worry about the hair wrap.
Not a bit.
Right? There's some dirt, debris.
You got that backwards.
You got it backwards and forwards. And that's simply just gonna cut our time down. And then Mary, when we come to edge cleaning, check this out. You and I have cats.
So
where does the cat hair like to hide in your house?
Always the perimeter.
The baseboards, goes to the edges. Yeah, and then with the push of the button, again, we can turn this into a hand vacuum. So, I mean, use it in the car.
Look at this. Watch this.
Upgraded tool here, which you can just see all the power. Listen to that, it even self-adjusts in the hand vac mode. So, I mean, honestly, Mary, this is the most incredible vacuum. And you know the best part is? One button. One button right here.
Oh my gosh, one finger holding and one button operation.
Yeah, one button operation. You don't even have to think about it. It thinks for you. And you don't have to hold a trigger or anything else,
not
right?
at all.
It's right there.
I'm gonna set this down and remind everybody of our color choices in our brand new day with our Today Special Value from Shark. This is a phenomenal vacuum, and I've been using it around the home on smooth flooring. I've been using it on carpeted flooring, but every single time I stop and go, there is nothing on the bottom of my socks right now. It gives you the cleanest of the clean, and we're gonna start down here with that grape. The purple color is rich and royal and saturated and gorgeous. The one right next door is navy. Then we have our 3 exclusive colors. So this is the warm metal, exclusive to QVC. Right next door to that, we have the Adriatic teal, which is exclusive to us here at QVC. And we are loving the bold magenta. That is exclusive also. That's our most limited color choice. And again, what we have for the day is what we've got. I don't have any in a warehouse that when one of these colors sells out, I can fish them out and bring them out to you for the rest of the day. This is it. The price goes away at the end of the day. And instead of $432 and change, which is what it would cost you to get this all packed up yourself separately, it is $299.98 and it's on free shipping. So we do have Easy Pay to make it a little bit more budget friendly, but now is the time because this is Shark's most powerful stick vacuum. It's their top of the line cordless stick vacuum. It is also the most fully featured cordless stick vacuum, and you're getting tools that you wouldn't get elsewhere. So you're getting that pet multi-tool. You're also getting the tool storage bag, and you're getting the crevice tool that if you have that piece of macaroni that's been between the cabinet and the refrigerator, that is gonna get it. The thing that I love too is we have Q card special financing for 9 months. So if you do have a Q card, you wanna utilize that special financing and spread those payments out from 5 to 9, you can do that if you have a Q card. And if you don't, you can find out how to get one from your operator or from QVC.com. But this is the power of Shark, and we would love to take your phone calls. Like I said a moment ago, 800-395-1601. I want to know, and Elizabeth wants to know, and our crew wants to know, everybody wants to know.
We want to know.
What room needs a shark attack in your home? And I think for me, it's where the cat sleeps.
Yeah.
And the power of this shark brought it, and I got all the cat hair off of that chair.
I got my shark baby. I love this thing. All right, at about 4 pounds, super easy to use. Look at this extension. This is our extension crevice tool. This is your upgrade of this tool. Look at how far up I can reach. My feet are on the ground. It's self-adjusting. That also goes back in. We're gonna show you this in the kitchen. But I just wanna show everyone too, Mary, look at how full this unit is. This is our most powerful cordless stick vac that we've made, which means it's our most powerful cordless hand vac. And here's something that you can do. There's a trigger on the back right here, and you can actually use that if you want to put it in
purple button?
eco mode. I'll show you here. Or if you want to just power it up to boost. So you just push that button, and now I'm on boost. So you choose.
So now you're controlling it.
Yeah, or you can put it on automatic mode, but you're mostly going to have it in.
Sure.
I'm going to do something that I have only ever done with our corded vacuums. Are you ready?
Hold on.
This is a full rack of billiard balls, Mary. This weighs about 5 pounds. This is such an incredible demonstration because normally this only works, wait a minute, get the last one. This only works normally with a corded vacuum.
I've only seen you do this with a corded vac.
And if you were wondering if those are real, uh-oh, we lost 2. I knew I was gonna lose
Jasper
a couple.
will get it.
Okay, Jasper can get it for me. Yeah, that's impressive. And that was with the full canister, so you're not gonna lose that power. Up to 70 minutes runtime in the hand vac on eco mode. You're gonna get about 30, 40 minutes as you're cleaning around your home.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I mean, and we're seeing some video right now to really back up the fact that this is the one to get. I mean, you've got the most powerful, the top of the line, the most fully featured, the MultiFlex one, so we never have to move furniture again. But it's all those detect modes that makes it the PowerDetect. The thing that I love too is that when it comes to all of that detection, it's not just one thing. It's detecting what flooring you're using.
Everything.
Yeah. what kind of dirt it's picking.
Yes.
It's also detecting whether you're on the edge or not, and the LightDetect too, which it all blows my mind.
Oh, that's a great point. Here it comes. When you go into a dark area, like when I clean in my laundry room where my kitty box is, I don't always turn the light on.
Right,
but
me
I
neither.
know there's cat litter everywhere, so it will illuminate if it's dark. Now,
Can I help?
Please, Mary and I are going to work together. And you got all kinds of stuff. We go ahead. Can we get both of them? Maybe they don't. Maybe.